Hey everyone, today I'm going to give you another big airdrop. This airdrop was launched recently, so it's a great opportunity to participate early. And as you know, early participants often make big profits. Also, I'll give you one trick to automatically upgrade your level. You won't need to do anything. So watch this video till the end, and don't miss out on this project. Let's get started with the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I regularly upload high profitable airdrops. First, I'll provide the airdrop link in the description and comment box. Tap the link, and it will open in your Telegram app. Now tap the start button, then tap the start button again, and wait for 5 to 6 seconds. You can see that my account has been created successfully. For better understanding, let's move on to my second account. You can see that in my second account, I have reached level 293. This is a high level, and I'm going to tell you how you can achieve this kind of level. Okay, first I'll explain all the functions and how they work. The first function is quests. Tap on it, and you'll see many tasks you can complete to receive points and coins. You can also complete daily quests to earn more points. Now close it. The second option is shopping, but this option isn't for us because we're only here for free airdrops, not investing anything. So, leave this option. The third one is also shopping, so leave it as well. Now you have a friends option. If you invite your friends, you'll earn some extra coins. Let's move to the next option. It's upcoming, so leave it. Now, at the bottom you have many options to upgrade your players and farming skills to earn more coins, so let's explain them one by one. The first one is Frens. You can upgrade your player levels to earn more coins. Also, you'll receive an extra player after every 5 levels. So, keep upgrading your player levels to earn higher coins. Next, you can upgrade your vegetables, and when you sell them, you'll earn more coins. Keep upgrading your vegetable levels to earn more. Then you can upgrade your lands and farm more vegetables. By completing every 2 levels, you'll receive 1 piece of land, so keep upgrading your lands to earn more coins. Finally, there's a box. If you open this box, you'll receive random rewards like coins, land, or new players. You can earn this box by scrolling down to see a genie. Every 4 to 5 minutes, you'll be able to claim a box. Also, your farmer players automatically give you boxes. When you open these boxes, you'll receive many coins, spins, and more. Now, let's move on to how you can upgrade your level like me. I have 2 tricks to do this, so let's start with the first one. The first trick is if you have a mobile, go to your mobile settings and search for auto screen off, then set it to your preferred time. I've set mine to 30 minutes, so after 30 minutes, my screen turns off. Put your phone on charge, open the game, and forget about it. Your game will automatically earn coins for you. The next trick works on your PC or laptop. If you have a PC or laptop, download an Android emulator and log into your Telegram account. Open the game and minimize it. Your upgraded players will automatically earn coins for you without you having to do anything. Keep trying these tricks to upgrade your level like me. Remember, we are early participants, so the chances for high profits from this airdrop are strong. That's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I regularly upload high profit airdrops. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.